Welcome to Biology Easy channel. உங்கள் அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. First of all, thanks for subscribe my channels. ஸோ நீங்கள் நீட் எக்ஸாமுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. ஸோ அதனால் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப்ல சில பயாலஜிலேருந்து சில இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கலான்ட்டு இருக்கிறேன். ஸோ அதனால் இந்த வீடியோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணால் பாருங்கள், ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குங்க உங்களுக்கு. ஸோ வாங்க, நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின் என்னென்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோவிங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் இஸ் கரெக்ட்? 4 ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துக்கிறான் பாருங்கள். விச் ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஃபாலோவிங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் கரெக்ட்? இதை மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஆன்சர் இஸ் ரவுண்ட் worms. Ascalmanthis are pseudocoelomate. Okay, second questions பாருங்க. Which of the following matches is correct? Second answer is here C, spider arachnida. Okay, third one, the types of epithelial cells which line is inner surface of fallopian tubes, bronchioles and bronchi are known as. Answer B, ciliated epithelium. Fourth questions, in order for the blood to flow from right atrium to left atriums in mammalian's heart, it must flow through 4 options. The correct answer is here A, right ventricles, pulmonary arteries, lungs, pulmonary vein, left atrium. Fifth questions, in which one of the following options excretory organs are correctly stated against a given organisms? Fifth question answer is here B, earthworm, pyrrhicales, endocumentary and septal nephridia. Okay, read the 6 questions. The statements are select the correct options. When the urine moves through the descending limbs, it becomes a hypertonic to blood plasma and it passes through the ascending limbs of hen loops, becomes hypotonic to blood plasma. The statement 2, the descending limbs is permeable to sodium ions while the ascending limbs is impermeable to sodium ions. The option which is correct? Sixth one, answer C. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Next question, which one of the following parts brain constitute the brain stem? Seventh question, answer is here midbrain and hindbrain. Answer A. Eighth questions, the innermost of the human eye is D, retina. Ninth questions, select the correct matches of the hormones into source and functions. They are given the 4 options. The 9th one answer is here D, prolactins, anterior pituitary, regulate the growth of mammary glands and milk formation in female. Okay, the 19th questions, what types of inflorescence does the given figure show? They given the 4 options. 19th, B is the correct answers, biparous sign. 20th questions, which one of the following is the correct hierarchical sequence? The 20 answer is here A, phylum, class, order, family. 21th, the match of the following, which one is correct for the some of the microorganisms? The 21 answer is here C. 22, the thick filaments, the muscles is polymerized to protein of dash. 22 answer is here A. The 23, consider the following 4 statements. They given the 4 options. Which one is correct? The 23 answer is here B. 24, the release the chemical messenger from synaptic vesicles is under the influence of which is ions. 24 answer is here C. Options is given, 4 options is given. 14 the answer is here D, A maltose, B galactose, C glucose, D fructose. 15th, the ability to produce the concentrated hypertonic urines in vertebrate generally depends on. Answer C, length of Henley loops. 16th question, select the incorrect options regarding the given figure. 16th answer is here B. A is occipital lobes, which is decodes and interprets visual information. 17th question, see the pictures. Which one of the following is here correct regarding the given figure? They given the four. The 17th question answer is here D. All of these. 18th questions. At optimum temperatures and pH, the time required to reach maximum velocity of the reactions in 8 seconds. Then what will be the times when substrate concentrations is Km question mark? What is the answers? The answers 4 is given. The 18th answer is here A. The 25 questions. Which one of the following statements is true? Answer B. Sclerenchyma cells are usually dead and without protoplast. 26 questions. The leguminous plants are able to fix the atmosphere nitrogens through the process of symbiotic nitrogen fixations. Which one of the following statements is not correct for this process of nitrogen fixations? The 26th answer is here D. Nitrogenous is insensitive to oxygen. 27. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? The 27. Watch. The answer is here T. Photosynthesis 2. 28. Consider the following statements. Read thoroughly. The 28th answer is here C. B and D is here correct. Okay. The 29. Arrange the steps catalyst actions of enzymes in order. Select correct options. They give the 4 options. What is the correct answers? 29. Read the questions carefully. The 29th answer is A. 30. Some vascular bundles are described as open because this 30 answer is here B. Are capable of producing secondary xylem and phloem. 31. The active component of photosystem is photosystem 1 is composed of. The 31 option is here B. 32. Energy released during the movements of electrons through the photosystems in photosynthesis is used to drive protons across the membranes against the concentrations gradients. As a result, the protons accumulate in 32. Thylakoids lumens. Answer A. 33. What is the role of the NAD in cellular respiration? 33. The answer is here B. The human vertebral column consists of the 33 vertebrate and the dash bones. 34. Answer is here B. 26. For plasmolized cells, which equations is correct? 35. The answer is here C. 36. Which reference to enzymes? Which one of the following statements is it true? 36. Answer is here B. Holoenzymes equal to apoenzymes plus coenzymes. 37 is here. Which one of the following is here basic amino acid? That is very important. 37 from the 11th book. Answer is here B. Next 38. 38 is a question here. Which one of the following is characteristics of the family whose floral diagrams is given? 38. They given the 4 options. Should understand which is calyx and corolla, androgen and gynoecium. The question 38. The 38 answer is here D. First, third and fourth. Okay. 39. In cockroaches, digested juice is secreted by 39. The answer is here hepatic CK. C. Select the incorrect options regarding the given figures. Very interesting features. Answer is here the given options also B. 40 answer is here B. Next 41. The characteristic features of different blood vessels in the body are shown. What does PQR present? The givens. Okay, the questions is there. See the answers. The givens is. Which one is answers? Okay, that's very interesting for the 41. Answer is here. B. 42. The photosynthetic in C4 plants is relatively less limited by atmosphere CO2 levels because 42. Answer is here. The primary fixation of CO2 mediated PEP carboxylase. Answer D. 43. Which stage of the cell cycle is histone proteins synthesized in eukaryote cells? Very important question also. Answer is here. B. SPase. 44. The relative rate of the blood cells production in the bones marrows of different bones at different ages are shown. The graphs PQ are likely to be respectively A, B, C, D givens. Listen carefully. These pictures. 44th questions. Answer is A. The salivary amylase shows maximum digestive actions at pH 45. It's a very important question. Answer is here. D. 6.8. 46. The next question is here. The bundle of Higgs is a part of which is one of the following organism in human being. Very interesting. For the 46. Answer is here. D. You know very well. Consider the following 4 statements regarding kidney transplant and segment. Selected to the 2 correct. One out of the this. Even the 4 options, which is mostly correct answer. Read it thoroughly. The 47 answer is here. D. 1 and 7 is correct. 48. One mineral activities the enzymes catalyze the one of the other. It's a constitute of the ring structure of chlorophyll. These minerals are respectively 48. Which one is the correct answers? Answer is A. Iron and magnesium. 49. Which one of these animals has 3-chambered heart? Cloaca is respired by gills, lungs and through the skin. 49. The 49 answer is here. B. The last one question is here. The digestion of the both starch and the proteins is done by which one is the correct answers? Answer is here. Pancreatic juice is the correct answers. Okay, I will send the again and again the so many neat according to the subject and the content oriented. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.